Hey friends, and welcome to Nassau in the Bahamas. I don't know if you can see it, but right behind me, right there, that is the iconic Atlantis Hotel. So as usual, I don't have a plan, but we're gonna get away from work this time and kind of go see what's out there. We'll look for something fun, but I have no plan, like I said, as of right now, but one thing that you can't go wrong with is the bearded clam. Let's go check it out. All right, friends, so here we are. Hopefully you can hear me. We are at Luca Kari, I guess is what you pronounce it. It's a little bar restaurant at the end of the pier of the video that I just showed you. Nothing is open yet, and it's 9:30, and they weren't even open. They just kind of let me in because I guess I look thirsty or whatnot. But it's so bizarre that I guess they're on Bahamian schedule. I'm going to turn the camera around, and you can see there's 5 cruise ships there. There's another one back there, but you can't see it. You can see 4, but there's a 5th one back there, and all these people are now off the ship, and nothing is open. The bearded clam was not open yet. So we're gonna come back and hit that one. So this is the only place I could find. So we're kind of at the end of the strip right now. So we're gonna eat here, have a couple drinks, have some lunch, and then walk our way back and try and find a couple other good spots. So when lunch comes, I'll show you that. All right, friends, let's see what $24 Bahamian rock shrimp tastes like. It's super windy here, so, and the music's playing in the background, so hopefully you can hear it. But there it is. Okay. That is good. That is really good. It's got a little bit of spice to it. You can tell the shrimp are fresh, and then the bigger shrimp, not like you'd find in like a shrimp salad or something like that. These are actually the bigger shrimp in the batter. The batter is super light, but very flavorful. Yeah, I was questioning because our American equivalent would be like Bang Bang shrimp, and so that's kind of what I was thinking it were. And Bang Bang shrimp you can get all day long for $18 or so in the States. So this is $24. So immediately I was thinking, okay, this is a little bit expensive, but the shrimp here are far superior. The batter is amazing. It's just really, really good. I mean, you can tell it's like battered with, there's something in it. I mean, of course, there's salt and pepper, but it's a seasoned batter of something, and I can't tell what's in it. It's got a little bit of spice to it. And then the sauce is not overwhelming. It's, you know, it's a mayonnaise-based sauce, but it's not overwhelming at all to the batter. So, yeah, $24, worth it all day long. All right, that's the update from here. I'm going to finish this up, and then we'll head to the next spot, which I have no idea where it's going to be, but we'll figure it out together, folks. When in Rome, you Senior Frogs. All right, we are leaving Senior Frogs right behind us. It's 11 o'clock. This way is the water, and this way is in town. So we're gonna walk in town for a little bit. I've never been this way before, but there's got to be something that way because a lot of people are walking this way. So we're gonna kind of follow the crowd and see that where they're going. I'll let you know at our next stop. McDonald's in Nassau. Should I? mean, not really hungry at all, but come on. McDonald's in Nassau. Let's go check it out. Okay, we're not checking it out. I don't know if you saw it or not on the clip, but I opened the door and there were literally 20 people in there waiting in line. So, yeah, I don't want McDonald's that badly, folks. On to the next stop. All right, and we are definitely off the beaten path on this one. We are at the Tiki Bikini Hut Beach Shop, and we're all the way towards the end. This whole little development down here, all these little shacks right on the beach, and I guess they're kind of catering to the tourists coming down here. So it's got a good vibe. You know, it definitely feels local, but the prices are out of control. So I had a tequila and ginger ale. Now I'll let you know how much this one's going to cost me. Alrighty friends, so we are leaving the Junkaroo Beach area. Very, very sketchy place. Came out there, had a couple drinks, and I'm headed back to the main part, the main drag right there across from the cruise ship. Now, I'm not going to put it in this video, but I'll put it in the walk and talk for this video. That's where I do kind of a behind the scenes type take on what I've experienced. So I don't want to put it on this one because a lot of people may look at this video in aspirations of cruising here or coming to this place, and I don't want to ruin it for people, but a little sketchy, folks. So anyways, we're on our way back to the main drag, and we'll hit a few bars there. Just kind of give you an idea of where I'm at. Very cool. So I think that's stop number 4 as of right now, and we'll see if we can hit a few more spots before we head back to the cruise ship, folks. Hang with me. Let's see where I go next. Alrighty, folks, and we're doing a quick stop at the Smuggler's Cove right now. And again, another $15 tequila. I guess tequila is like very rare on the island because that's consistent throughout the island. I ordered a tequila with ginger ale, and everywhere I go, it's $15 to $16. So anyways, I'm gonna go to the bearded clam because I need some bearded clam in my life right now. So this is a quick stop because we're walking back from that Junkaroo Beach, and it's about maybe a mile and a half. So we needed a quick pit stop before we go there. So we're gonna have our $15 tequila and ginger ale, and then we're gonna go to the bearded clam. Hang with me. We'll see you there. All right, friends, round 2 at the bearded clam. I finally made it in the bearded clam, so life is good right now. So as you can see on the menu, we've got 4 shots for $10. I asked the waiter what his strongest shot was, and he said FV, which is vodka, tequila, and 151 rum. So we're apparently going to do 4 shots today. God bless America, folks. It's time to man up. So here we go. I showed you we have 3 different types of tacos and cracked pump, which is an island favorite. I also have my 4 shots, which are going to be a challenge to get down. So I'm not sure how well you hear me. Music bumping, the people are loud. So I've got the microphone right here. Hopefully this will do its job. So I say first, let's start with a shot. Okay, so the shot is the most caffeine. So a little bit of lime. Cheers. Okay, that's one of 3 shots, so that was painful. Shot number 2, folks. And again, those shots are vodka, tequila, and 151 rum. And it burns so bad, it's going all the way down. I'm gonna have nightmares about that shot. A little bit more track on. Shot number 3. Alright. So I would say altogether that the berry clam did not disappoint. Everywhere else on the island that I went to, hit or miss. Let's say that. You know, I give you the honest truth, so you kind of figure it out for yourself from there. But when you come to Nassau, I would definitely hit the beer clam. I mean, this would be my first place off this ship to come here and try their food and their drinks. And I mean, 4 strong shots for $10, can't beat it, especially when I'm paying $15 for 1 drink. And the food here, amazing. So I'm going to finish up here. I've done 3 shots, so by the 4th shot, who knows, we're going to shave off the chest, but I'll catch back up with you on the way back, folks. Cheers. And there you have it, friends. Our adventure in Nassau is now coming to an end. We're back at the cruise terminal. You can see the ship right behind me. And I am full. And I could say I'm thoroughly buzzed, folks. So we did find a hidden treasure there, a hidden gem, which was the bearded clam. Never go wrong with a bearded clam, folks. Aside from that, the first place that we started with the restaurant at the end of the dock, pretty good. I mean, the rock shrimp was amazing. I'd definitely go back there. And then the rest of it was just, you know, hit or miss. So take it as you want, but we did try and do an adventure, you know, and again, some of the best times in life are unscripted. You just kind of go for it, put one foot in front of the other and make it happen. You know, if you haven't done that before, throw plans out to the wind and just go for it. Just kind of figure it out from there, folks. I mean, at the end of the day, some good, some bad, but you still had an adventure that you would never been planned on before if you had everything scripted out. So that's my advice to you. So folks, from Nassau, Bahamas, be safe and be adventurous. Thanks for watching.